Air Apps crew preparing for landing. Welcome to Cancun.
A very nice event to get together, to finally meet the people behind the screen. Now we are meeting in Cancun, Mexico.
I've never been to Mexico before. This is my first time on this side of the world.
Having everyone together means we are bonding and we are having much better ideas.
It's an incredible opportunity to have chance encounters and just getting to collaborate and bring Air Apps to the next level.
And I love this passion that Air Apps has, everyone has. Being able to work with a group of team members that come from all corners of the world is an amazing opportunity.
The different perspectives that everyone brings, the synergy that we work together.
Together, we are trying to build every year something even better.
I was involved in the AI revolution here at Air Apps, which has been a really amazing experience, to be honest.
Back in the day, we started with the iOS. We are moving toward the Android, the web, and the AI-powered systems. If one day we'll be seeing things in an AR screen, Air Apps is going to be there.